Welcome to e-learning. Now we are going to see some sequence problems. Okay, first we are going to see addition of two numbers. Already I said sequence problem means there will not be any condition and the statements must be executed one after the another. Okay, so first we are going to see addition of two numbers. So first thing is we are just going to see what is the input and what is the output. What is the input here? How many numbers are needed? We need two numbers, so I am going to store the first number in the variable a and the second number in the variable b. Okay, and how many output we will get only one number, right? So output will be stored in a variable c. Okay, so this is the input and this is my output. Okay, so I'm just going to write the logic. So first one is we have to start, and the second one is we have to read a and b, and third one is we have to compute c. So what is c? C is equal to a plus b, and next one is we have to print c, and the last one is stop. Yes, so this is the logic for this first sequence problem, and the second sequence problem is calculate simple interest. Calculate simple interest. So here we are having the formula simple interest is equal to principal amount into number of years into rate of interest divided by 100. Okay, see, so this is the problem. We are just going to find the value of SI. So what is input here? Input is you are going to give some value for n, you have to give some value for n, and you have to give some value for r. Yes, and what is the output here? Output is simple interest, SI. Yes, okay. And then, so I'm just going to write the logic for this. So first one is we have to start, and the second one is we have to read P, N, R, and the third one is we have to calculate SI. So SI is equal to P into N into R and whole divided by 100, and next one is we have to print SI, and the final answer will be stored in SI, and then we are just going to stop. Okay, so this is my second problem, and third we are going to see area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Okay, so here also we are having the formula. So what is the formula? Formula here is area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so what is my input? How many numbers we have to give? We have to give length and also we have to give breadth. And what is the output? Output is stored in area by using this formula. Okay, and next we are going to write the logic. So first one is start, and the second one is we have to read L comma B, and next one is we have to calculate area, that is area is equal to L into B, and next one is we are just going to print the value of area, therefore print area, and the fifth step is stop. That's all. So now you are getting answer for this problem, and the last one is area of circle. Area of circle. So here also we are having the formula area is equal to pi r square, right? So what is our input? We have to give the value for r alone, right? And what is our output? Output is area. Yes, okay. And then, so what is the logic for this? So first we have to start, and then we have to read R, and next we are just going to calculate area. Area is equal to, see what's the value of pi? Pi is nothing but 3.14 into R into R. Okay, so this is nothing but r square, and then we are just going to print the value of area. Therefore, fourth step is print area, and the fifth step is stop. Okay, so this is the logic. In my next logic, we are just going to convert this logic into algorithm, flowchart, and that of pseudocode. Okay, and keep in mind sequence problem means there will not be any condition, that is no condition, and it's of step by one by one execution, one by one execution. Okay, so first the statements will be executed, after this statement, after this statement. Okay, so this is about the sequence problems. Hope you all are understand this. Thanks for watching.